Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Greater Bank account. So follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. First of all open your web browser and in the search bar type in Greater Bank login. And as the search result you can see in the first option the link to the website of Greater Bank. Click on it and in this interface enter the username of your account. And in the password section, enter your password. Once you do that, click on login. You will be logged into your Greater Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, click here forgot your password to reset it. So this is how you can log in into your Greater Bank account. This was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.